exhibition starts with how Titanic is portrayed in the media, because the media helps, stories of Titanic, books and movies help keep the story alive. And then it comes into here where you enter the ship, and you'll see, again, life-size reproductions of certain areas of the ship, including the captain's bridge. And then you will go into the reproduction of the grand staircase and those environments. There's also a full scale of a lifeboat, so be able to step in and get a sense of what people felt that night. There's a VR experience at the very end, which will allow you to explore the wreck site, which only a few people in the world have ever been able to do in real life. And then there's a memorial gallery. When you enter the exhibition, you're given a boarding pass, and at the end, you'll learn whether or not that passenger survived.
It's hard to say that some of the pathways aren't eerie, or you can feel some type of way. Can you describe why that was made or constructed the way it was here for this exhibition?
I think part of connecting people with content and part of the act of storytelling is to really get you to internalize the story, to make it personal, to connect you with the real events that happened. Yes, Titanic was a movie, but it was based on real events. These were real people, and they represented more than 2,000 stories. So being able to step into scenes, of course you can't put yourself on the ship that night, but this is as close as you can get.
How do you guys continue to evolutionize the history of the Titanic?
Oh, through you, through our guests. So we spark that interest, and then you take it on. You go and learn. If you leave this exhibition with a name of a passenger or a crew member that you didn't know before, then this exhibition will have served history well.